Heard from my dealer that the new Ultra seal from the engine compartment is not watertight and will collect water in the engine compartment. Does Cowie plan to address it? I've taken that inspection cover off. It's 6 acorn nuts. Comes right off. The little flappy inspection plate thing is not my favorite. But there is a rubberized gasket that goes all the way around it. There are points of heat exhaust that allow air to circulate. If you submerge your ski, it will not keep the engine compartment watertight. That is kind of a no-brainer. I don't know if people think that it's an airtight ski or a watertight ski. It is certainly not a watertight ski. Okay? There's no such thing as a watertight jet ski. But it does its damnedest to keep water from going in. Water intrusion has never been I've not experienced any problem with water intrusion on that ski. I have ridden it with the deck off, like, the guys on YouTube who ride around with the seat off and stuff, just to see, what's going on. I did see that if you do ride with the drain plugs out, unlike a Sea-Doo that has a little ball valve, you will gather water in the bilge of your jet ski. So, yes, you need to make sure your drain plugs are in. And yes, you need to get, make sure that thing is watertight, because you'll get water on the belt and then you have slippage on the belt and you have a problem. So that there's really no problem with it. It's not a design fail. I have not seen anything demonstrably wrong. I have not encountered anything that's like, oh my gosh, they went to production with this? Who the hell thought this was a good idea? Besides the front storage being itty bitty, tiny little hole that you can't put anything in. Yeah. So, Mikey, I hope that is a satisfactory answer to your question. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.